Good morning, pirates. Today we're going to install the tuning machine. So you will need one ferrule, F-E-R-R-U-L-E, I think, I don't know, one tuning machine, and two little screws, which are very easy to lose. So keep track of those, and those are hard to find. I don't even think I can get those locally either, so really be careful with those little guys. Hammer, I would use the copper side. So we need to tap the ferrule in from the front. A little bit tricky to get it started. There we go. Yeah, try not to hit your fingers with that. And just make sure it's driven all the way down. Good. And then the tuning machine will come from the back side. What in the world? Why is that not going through? Looks like I got a bad ferrule. Well, see, that's so supposed to just slide right through. Well, I guess it's good for you to see. So if this happens to you, we will have to drill a hole through that. Okay, so I'm gonna measure. You won't do this. I'll do this. So. That post is less than 1/4 inch. It's 0.232. Okay, come on in close. So this is just a very small rat tail file. And it's probably not much. It's probably just some casting flash or something. He says, what in the world? I hope there aren't many like this. It's pretty tight. There we go. Whew, crazy. All right. So that comes from the back side. And all. And you want to make sure that the edge of that plate is parallel to the edge of your stick. And then use the awl to mark your hole locations. Alright, good. Drill. And a number of wax, of course, always wax. Where'd those little screws go? I said don't lose. There they are. See, you gotta keep track of those little buggers there. They like to hide. And I don't have extras, so don't lose them. So a little wax, and then a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. It's this guy. I would put that one part way in. I wouldn't put it all the way in yet. You know what might be smart is when you get these two, just put them in the wax until you're ready to use them. Probably less chance of losing them that way. So that's where I would set them for safekeeping. That's what I should have done. So, all right, second screw in. And don't over tighten these, just snug them down because you saw how small they are and you could strip them or break them. So just snug, you don't need to over crank them. Alright, I think that is it for the tuning machine. There you go. Have fun.